I know there's a TUR. WRVA.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for East Central Chesterfield County, the city of Hopewell, Charles City County, Western New Kent County, Southeastern Henrico County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:52 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Jordan's Point, 47 miles north of Hopewell, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail.
What the hell?
Source, wave indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught inside shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Charles City, Roxbury, and Addington storm around 4 p.m. Townsville, Providence, Forge, and Roofville around 4:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wrights Corner, Chicago Shore, Wayside, Mount Ethel, Elko, Glendale, Kenton, Colonial Downs, Meadowville, and Browns Corner. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling North National Weather Service in Wakefield at 757-899-2415.
Oh my god!